Hi there, I'm Harsh, Product Marketing Manager at UpGuard. I want to talk about a feature that will make the lives of both our customers and their vendors easier during vendor risk assessments. UpGuard combines security ratings, intelligent security questionnaires, and a proprietary data leak detection engine to provide a complete overview of your vendor's security posture. Security ratings and data leak detection provide insights into your vendor's externally facing security risks, and questionnaires offer insights into their security practices, policies, and incident response procedures. Questionnaires are an essential part of any good security program. Still, they take time for vendors to complete, which slows down your assessment process and puts strain on your vendor relationship. When vendors fill out questionnaires, there is often a considerable overlap in the questions asked by their customers, which means they usually answer the same questionnaire multiple times. UpGuard's new vendor shared profile feature allows vendors to proactively share security related information for free with companies that need to assess them. This means less time spent filling in manual assessments and more time to focus on remediating issues. Vendors can publish the security contact, company description, complete security questionnaires, and supporting documentation or compliance certifications, for example, a SOC 2 audit report. This improves productivity for the vendor and means a faster turnaround for you when assessing your vendors. Creating a shared vendor profile is easy. When vendors are sent a questionnaire for the first time, they can elect to add it to their shared profile. Once their shared profile is created, they can invite colleagues to manage it too. Let's look at how it works. As a vendor, I've been asked to complete a questionnaire by an UpGuard customer, giving me access to the My Shared Profile option. Upon clicking it, I will be able to see the steps required to complete my shared profile. As I complete each step, the checkbox next to the corresponding item will be ticked. Once I have completed the first 5 steps, I am ready to publish. Clicking Publish Shared Profile will bring up a side panel that allows me to toggle my shared profile. So I'll click the toggle and apply the changes. Once my shared profile is published, I can invite anyone to view it even if they aren't an UpGuard user. To share it, I'll click the Share button. This will bring up a modal that allows me to add the email addresses of the people I want to invite to view my shared profile. I'll enter the emails, then send invites. If I accidentally invite the wrong person, want to revoke the invitation, or want to see who has been granted access to my shared profile, I'll use the Access tab. I can revoke an invite by clicking the bin icon, and I can revoke previously granted access by clicking Revoke Access. Please note that the access requests from UpGuard customers will also appear in the Access tab. I can also invite colleagues to view or manage my shared profile. If they are given editor access, they'll be able to update the security contact, edit the company description, add or remove questionnaires and supporting documentations, and administer my shared profile. To invite a colleague to view or manage your shared profile, I click on the Your Organization tab, then Invite User. This will bring up a modal that allows me to invite my colleagues by simply entering their email addresses, choosing whether I want them to be a view only or editor, and then sending the invites. Keep in mind that any colleagues who are sent a questionnaire and share the same email domain as mine will automatically be added to my account as a view only user. I can manage their permissions in the Your Organization tab. I can view who has viewed my shared profile by clicking on the Access Log tab, where I can see the viewer's full name, email address, and timestamp of when they viewed my profile. Completing your shared profile allows you to build trust with your business partners and shows that your organization is taking cybersecurity seriously. Vendors can use their shared profile to enable their sales team by removing a tedious security assessment from the sales process. If you are a vendor of an UpGuard customer, you can start creating your shared profile now. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to support@upguard.com. I hope you enjoyed watching this demo. Thanks for watching.